Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Forecast: Bitcoin will reach $250,000. Why did the price not drop after the closing of 12,000 long positions? US to sell nearly 42,000 Bitcoin in the coming months. Possible all-time highs for OKEX native token and APTOS. ARBITRUM whale sells for 700 ETH. Bitcoin mining more eco-friendly than electric vehicles.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Forecast: Bitcoin will reach $250,000. Tim Draper has once again predicted that the price of Bitcoin will reach $250,000, and he defended his prediction in a Ledger podcast. Although he admitted he had expected it to happen before June of this year, Draper believes that the forecast might be pushed back a bit, but he is confident it will happen 3 months before the halving, which will occur in the first half of 2024. Draper is a pro-BTC billionaire and venture capitalist and one of the most enthusiastic Bitcoin supporters. He has previously predicted that the cryptocurrency's price will reach $250,000 in February 2020, and he is now doing so again. Draper argues that Bitcoin is bigger than anything he has seen before, and that it represents all the alternatives we have to banks. He has also been one of Bitcoin's leading advocates for years, and he donated $100,000 to the Brink Association, focused on Bitcoin development. Why did the price not drop after the closing of 12,000 long positions? Why were 12,000 Bitcoin margin long positions closed on Bitfinex, and why did it not have an impact on BTC price? Traders looking to capitalize on their cryptocurrency positions had borrowed over 105,000 Bitcoin on margin. Margin borrowing can be used to leverage arbitrage opportunities, where a trader exploits price discrepancies between different markets. On March 25th, traders reduced their long positions by 12,000 BTC within minutes. This supports the theory that such margin trades are neutral for the market, because the borrower is not capitalizing on their positions with earnings. There is likely some arbitrage involving derivative instruments. The decrease on Bitfinex may be due to an arbitrage closure, unrelated to Bitcoin price movement. US to sell nearly 42,000 Bitcoin in the coming months. The US government will sell 41,490 Bitcoin related to Silk Road this year in 4 batches. It has already sold 9,861 of the 51,351 Bitcoin seized from James Zhong in 2012, who stole them from the Silk Road payment platform. The first batch was sold for $216 million in March 2023 through Coinbase. The sale is expected to have an impact on the cryptocurrency market, although some experts believe it will be minimal due to the distribution of sales over several months. The sale follows the filing of a modified preliminary forfeiture order and the issuance of a final forfeiture order granting all right, title, and interest in the property to the United States in February 2023. Russell Bricht, who ran Silk Road, was sentenced to life in prison in 2015. Hacker James Zhong pleaded guilty in November 2022. Possible all-time highs for OKEX native token and APTOS. Cryptocurrencies OKB and AP show bullish price signals and could reach new all-time highs in April. The price of OKB has undergone a correction that could take the form of a symmetrical triangle, and if it experiences a breakout, the first preliminary target for a new all-time high would be $72.23. On the other hand, a drop in OKB price below $23 would invalidate the bullish forecast. In the case of APT, the wave count is supportive of a new all-time high, and if the price rises, it could reach at least $26.90. However, if APT's price falls below its March 10th low of $9.70, it would invalidate the bullish structure and could lead to a drop towards $7.90. ARBITRUM whale sells for 700 ETH, and ARBITRUM whale has sold 930,000 tokens for 708 ETH, worth approximately $1.7 million. While the transaction was observed by Look-on-Chain as a super airdrop hunter, some speculate that it could be the ARBITRUM hacker getting rid of their illicit gains. Despite this, Korean exchanges may be accumulating ARB tokens, which could be a signal that they expect an increase in demand for ARBITRUM tokens. The ARB token is currently trading at $1.39, 84% below its all-time high. Its market capitalization is around $1.77 billion at the time of writing. Meanwhile, ARBITRUM 1 remains the most popular Layer 2 network in terms of total value locked. Bitcoin mining more eco-friendly than electric vehicles. Bitcoin mining is more eco-friendly than the technology used by electric vehicles, according to researcher Daniel Batten. He points out that the primary source of energy for Bitcoin mining is hydroelectric power, which accounts for 23% of its energy. In contrast, if electric vehicles were distributed proportionally worldwide, the industry would reflect the combination of global grids and therefore have coal as its primary energy source 36.7%, followed by gas 23.5%. The conclusion is that Bitcoin mining uses about 38% less coal. Many companies are now providing sustainable mining solutions. Sustainable energy now powers 52.6% of Bitcoin mining.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking